Laid out before him is a creepy spectacle. Bones of the long deceased stretch out as far as he can see, where many have met their end under the desert sun. But some of these victims didn't get here by accident. A terrifying raptor, the Harris hawk is an expert hunter. Locking onto its target, it descends from the sky. Like a velociraptor, it stalks its prey on foot. As the kangaroo rat flees for his life, the pounding steps of the hawk shakes the earth beneath his feet. An attack could come from any angle. The kangaroo rat is quickly running out of places to hide. It's now or never. Defeated this time, the hawk gives up the chase and retreats.